guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a headband wig from Luvmehair. I do want to say thank you to Luvmehair for sending me this unit. And here is the packaging. I always love when I get units from Luvmehair because their packaging is my favorite. The box is just so beautiful. The matte purple with the gold lettering. It's just... Before we jump into the video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and then follow me on my socials, which will be right here on the screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's jump into the video. So I have 3 headbands here. One that is a blue cheetah print. We have this one which has some, it looks like leaves actually, like a leaf pattern. And it's yellow and tan and navy blue. And then I have this black one as well. First, they always include this super needed packaging kit here that just contains a lot of good items that you'll need when applying your units. So they sent over some bobby pins. Come on, come on. A rat tail comb. One of their satin wraps by Luvmehair. We also have an adjustable elastic band. One of their hair clips that says "Love Me," and then some tweezers. And we also have a wig cap as well. Now to jump into what you guys came here for. Here is the wig. So I have already pushed my edges back, as you can see. I gave them a little swoop action. And then I have on this black wig cap because since this is a headband wig, your wig cap isn't going to show through your wig as much as a tan one would, or if you had more lace, visible lace. So since it's black, we can just roll with this. So first I take the middle comb and take it here, and I kind of push it back and it slides my wig cap back a little bit because I want to have most of my edges exposed, of course. And once you flip this over, the black band that is included with the wig, it kind of takes over some of this space anyways. And then here's this black band here. Once you push it back, you see how it leaves the rest of your edges exposed here. And then we're just going to take the 2 pieces that connect here and pull them back as tight as they will go. And then I just pull it really close back here so it makes your wig feel extra secure, like it's not going anywhere, okay? And now we can get to the styling process. Here's an up close view. And I'm going to take my flat irons to just straighten out this hair a little bit. Alright guys, so I have finished straightening out this hair. It is 16 inches long. I'm going to show you the headband options that we have today. So we're going to start off with this pretty blue one first. I like this. I like this blue one. This is so cute. I love it with the cheetah print, additional pattern to it with the color payoff. I really like this one. How do y'all feel about this color? Alright guys, so for my second look, since this unit does come naturally straight, I want to see how it curls. So I'm going to add some curls for the next headband look, and we're going to see how she holds up. I'm going to use my curling wand here. This is a curling wand that I actually got from Amazon, and it's by the A-Body brand. I think it was around $40, and it comes with 6 of these pieces, and they all range in like different sizes. So I really like this concept. It was affordable, it's working even though it was inexpensive. So if you guys are interested in it, check out my description bar below. I do have a link there directly to this curling wand. So let's see how this hair is going to curl. Wow, pretty. Alright, so I added a little bit of curl to the hair, and it actually takes curl really well. I am going to comb these out actually because I want it to be a little bit more loose than what it is. So I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and just comb out the curls that I've done. So now it has more of a body wave look to it. Super cute. And we're gonna add this last headband here. Hair curled very well. I really do like how it holds curl. I did comb it out, of course, because I wanted some loose, like effortless curls, and that's exactly what I got. This unit also has a really good density to it. I like how full it is considering that it is 16 inches long. It does come naturally straight if you do not like the curl look. But yeah, I think this is a very well made unit. I didn't have any shedding, no tangling problems. It's a really good grab and go unit. So that's all I have for you guys today. I do hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again to Luvmehair for sending me this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any follow-up questions about this unit, just leave them in my comment section below and I will answer them for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.